We are living in a digital world. There are many digitalization initiatives are taking place everywhere. These initiatives are driving new usages to pick up very quickly. We have solutions scattered everywhere. IoT solutions, collaboration solution, healthcare solution, autonomous cars, speed broadband, 5G. All these solutions require ubiquitous computing from the cloud all the way to the edge. All these solutions are very demanding in terms of latency and speed. It requires robust network infrastructure. This is making the demand on the network very high. So how customer will be able to deliver networking requirement in a way where they maintain the cost efficiency, agility, and scalability? We will find cloud managed network is the best solution in order to fulfill all these requirements. Cloud managed network is growth through IDC figures is growing big time. The revenue expected yearly to be around 12 billion. It will grow around CAGR of 45% every year. So what is the concept of cloud managed network? Basically, the main idea here is you will have the network controller on your cloud, and on-prem you will have all the networking components that connected to that controller and get managed from the cloud. So you will have all your existing on-prem devices in your site while it is being controlled and managed from the cloud. This will give you simplicity and the smart way of managing it, and also open ecosystem where you will have all these items controlled and integrated together. If we talk about managed services in general, we will find customers always looking for many challenges. They are looking to overcome these challenges. They're looking for enhancing customer satisfaction. They're looking for help supporting them into going for digital transformation initiative. They are looking for investment protection. They are looking for one platform that can support to manage their infrastructure. At the end, they are looking for value-added services where they can make their life easier in terms of day-to-day operation, and always looking for a managed services partner that support them with a better customer satisfaction and better efficiency. In STC, we're offering many managed services offering that always empower our customer to drive the technology, the operational model, the culture that all have to come together in order to be successful in a way where a new competitive advantage is the digital experience. We are offering cloud-based services that support us to implement solution in a very short time, where we can support customer to shorten time to market. We are helping customer that having a solution from one-stop solution where they can access our resources and then get any solution they are looking for implemented in an easier way. We are covering requirements scattered between large enterprise into also to the mid-size enterprises. We're supporting our customer for service convergence. With the complexity of the requirement that we're seeing today from networking perspective, we will help the customer for implementing the services in an easier way where we can deploy services faster, better, and more aligned with their business requirement. We can support them to implement IoT solution using Wi-Fi technology, and definitely implement them in an efficient way that the customer is looking for. From the service operation perspective, we are helping our customer to meet their customer expectation requirement. We are providing them with a smart way of performance analysis through the automation and the power of AI. We are helping our customer to allow them to control, to lower their cost by moving them from expensive capital expenditure that comes from siloed vendor system into operational expenditure with a one service provider. In STC, we have implemented multiple cloud services solution that help customer to implement their, to overcome their demands, and then accordingly we support them for better enhancement of this implementation. We implemented MODAR Cloud Canvas from Huawei into our cloud, and we are able to manage our customer requirement totally from our command center, from our NOC. So in general, we are looking to empower our customer to move their focus from operational focus to strategic while the business is going on, and then we are managing their core infrastructure. MODAR solution is implemented in STC Cloud. We are implemented Huawei Cloud Canvas in STC Cloud. This solution can serve up to 60,000 devices across the different customer and locations. Having the solution implemented in STC Cloud will help our customers to protect their data, as it will be within Saudi Arabia. They will be commit to the regulation of the country where they have their data resides within Saudi Arabia without having outside cloud. So we capitalize on STC Cloud, and we capitalize on Huawei technology, that we combine them together by implementing Huawei solution on STC Cloud, and then accordingly we'll be able to deliver the services where it gets managed and controlled from STC Cloud. We have a long story with Huawei. I'm talking here in the cloud network specifically. We've been through a journey starting from May 2019. We implemented some routers for managed router service, and then we move on to implement some access point, and we did a testing for Wi-Fi technology, and then we implement the Cloud Canvas solution in our cloud, where we start selling a MODAR service in the market. We publish this around in June 2020 in our STC website. If you are facing a problem with your employee spending too much time on managing their network, if you are facing an issue where you have a bad coverage, if you are facing an issue with giving access to your guests, if you are facing an issue where you are not able to know what's happening into your network and who's accessing what and what time, all these challenges are being addressed by MODAR service. MODAR service, it's depend on Huawei technology that we implemented in STC Cloud. It will provide you in an easier way to implement a solution depends on your business requirements. So you can scale up, scale down based on the requirement, and it is very flexible in terms of implementation and pricing model. MODAR is giving you Wi-Fi access and give you LAN, managed LAN, that control from our cloud. So you will be able to get performance analytics from the solution that give you a single pane of glass to understand exactly what's happening into your network, and then accordingly you can manage it in a way that STC will be responsible for delivering the services, and the customer will be enjoying having happy customers and covering networking requirements. MODAR service, as we mentioned earlier, it is implemented in STC Cloud, and that has helped us to give a value to our customers. We can deliver the services much easier and faster for them, so the deployment will be fast. The cost will be controlled, where the customer will be getting the services as OpEx model rather than having it as a CapEx. The customer can have on-demand service, so they can scale up and down based on the business requirement. This will improve the agility and the flexibility of the solution, where the customer can have the solution based on their requirement, based on their technology that we are providing, and fulfilling all their networking requirements. If we look at this, just to summarize why MODAR and what is the main feature of MODAR, it is very easy to set up. It will provide you with managed Wi-Fi and managed LAN. It will be always updated, because our NOC team are always managing it to make sure that all the system, the devices at your premise are up to date, and making sure that it's working as per the standard. It is monitored, managed by the team, so you will assure that the service is available at any time, and will make sure that any problem happen, it will be fixed before it will affect your customer experience. The service is an OpEx model, so you will be paying monthly subscription fees rather than having CapEx model. We will be responsible for network configuration and management. We will do all proactiveness to make sure that all solutions implemented in your site is working and up and running without any effect, we will make sure that we are covering the right coverage in your premise to assure that always having happy customer at your end. MODAR always improve the business efficiency. We improve the planning by big percent, around 90%. We improve the deployment, the operation and maintenance, the optimization. The technology that we're using from Cloud Campus, it will help us to drive all these efficiencies and make our customer happy in terms of implementation and usage and after-sales support. In MODAR, we're targeting all the verticals. We're selling it to government, education, hospitality, finance, logistics, chain stores. All kind of vertical Huawei solution, it will fit there. And definitely that's scattered between small sizes, mid sizes, and large sizes enterprises. Huawei provide you managed LAN, managed Wi-Fi, managed router, and total managed network solution. It will give you flexibility in terms of SLA, in terms of our commitment to deliver the services. So Mr. Customers, you can select their requirement based on their business need, and then accordingly they will find STC MODAR solution will fit their requirement and giving them the functionality that they're looking for. Thank you very much.